Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever had any bags that you love but you never really wore? Yeah, today I would like to share with you some bags I really love. I thought I would wear it every day, but no, I couldn't even wear it once. And those are the bags I'm going to sell as part of my spring cleaning. The first one I want to share with you is Dior. I love this bag. I still love it. I thought I would bring this bag and wear it so often, but honestly, I couldn't. Let me show you what this bag is. Don't you love the packaging? It still have its smells like brand new. You guessed it? Yeah. It's the Dior Saddle bag. It's not the latest one. This is the probably previous edition. I never worn this once. It looks really chic, and I believe it's still really chic, but this shape is just hard for me to place all my essentials in here, because at the end I'll just take it out, but I don't want to damage it because I'm gonna sell this. You see the shape on below, it's all the way down to here, so not much room to put a lot of things in here. And it's only a shoulder bag. As you know, I love my crossbody bag. I believe the newest editions actually come with a crossbody stripe, which I believe is much more versatile. So this one I can only wear like this. For me, it's not versatile enough. So sadly, I'm going to sell this. Probably I'm gonna sell this sell it to a fashion file. And my next thing I think I'm going to get from Dior is the Lady Dior, which I think maybe have more value either as a collection or as I don't know if I wear it day to day, but at least maybe more valuable as a collection. The next bag I thought also I would wear it a lot is this bag from Burberry. This one is a crossbody bag, but you see the problem is the crossbody stripe is too bulky. You can see what I mean. It's almost like a passenger bag. It's still very roomy. Don't get me wrong, the leathers are super good, and also I really like the leather here, but the body stripe is so bulky. I don't know. I just find it's hard to be too flattering on people when it's really bulky, and this is already a bulky bag. So this, as part of spring cleaning, I will sell it to fashion file as well. Last but not least is this one. Is a big Chloe tote or bucket or tote bag, whatever you call it. This one, I think when I bought it, I just bought online. I didn't try it on. So it feels so bulky and so big. It's actually really heavy. So unfortunately, I couldn't use it much either. And then I bought all the, even all these organizers as well. But still, I couldn't get to use it. So this will be gone as part of my spring cleaning. So what bags you have not really used before and then will be sell back to as part of the spring cleaning? Comment down below and let me know what do you think. Whatever I got from my sale, I'll share with you, and then any of my updated wish list I'll update here with you upcoming video. Talk to you soon. See you next time. Bye.